A very good morning, dear students. 8th grader, I hope you all are fine. In today's session, we are continuing chapter 6 from page number 75. Chapter 6 is your ethical hacking. And we have covered till what is ethical hacking and who are the hackers or types of hackers. In today's session, we are continuing with next topic, that is different ethical hacker. Hacker can be categorized in four categories. First type of hackers are hacktivist, second are virtual warriors, third are black spar hackers, and fourth are white spar hackers. So what is difference? Hacktivist hackers work for your political system. They work for political system. They will work according for a specific political party. They will try to make traffic on a same website on same time. So the hacktivism is the fusion of hacking policies and technology. More especially, hacktivism is described as hacking for a political cause. These hackers could just leave a large message on the main page, and if they will leave a large message on the main page, then there will be a traffic on the network, and it will create a congestion on the network. And some people see this as a form of protest. It means when there will be traffic on network, they will try to make the page more jam, more traffic. It means people will feel that there is a protest going on a website. But it is not a protest, it is performed by the hackers. Second is virtual warriors. These are the person who work for country. These person can be of gray type of hackers. We have studied last time also. Gray hat hackers are those person that can work in a good or bad both way. It depends upon the situation. So virtual warriors are the hacker that can contribute as a good guy or bad guy according to the relationship with other country. They will try to find out the information from other country. Either if they are having good relationship, they will find out the positive response. If they are having bad relationship with other country, they will try to leak the information from other countries. That is the concept of virtual warriors. They only work for a country safety. They want to get information for other countries. Third type of hackers are black spar hacker. These are the persons that are hired by the company for the purpose of hacking, but they don't know what is going on network. They will try to find out the specific page or specific area where they can attack and find out the information. They don't know the network type, network quality. Only they are looking all the network structure. After looking the structure, they will try to find out or hacking a specific web page, and they are working for their company only who has hired for this purpose. And fourth one is white spar hacker. These are the hacker is like black spar. Difference is that white spar hacker are hired by the companies, but they know the all details of network. They know all details of network. They work like a hacker and try to protect the network from inside hacking. They work like a hacker and they will try to find out how a system can be made more secure from inside hackers. It means they will try to find out the system that will find out an attack from inside of organization. If 100 workers are working in company, 98 are working in a good way, but 2% are stealing the information from company system. White spar hacker will find out these 2% who is hacking the information, who is leaking the information from inside of company. These are the person that are authorized for company to do this task, and they know the whole detail of network. Next is certified hacker. Certified hacker are the person who are getting the certificates for their task after every 3 years. Hacking is a concept of ethical part also. In ethical hacking, the person who are continuously working for 3 years and they are doing advancement in technology, they are doing a better work, that person get the certificate. It means this person will try to find the weakness of network. Like take the example of government website. They are looking the problem in government website. If somebody is trying to hack the government website, they are continuously working on the security issue, and each after 3 years they are getting the certified hacker certificate. It means they are authorized from a specific agency. They are authorized to do the specific task. Now, what are the rules of hacking? Hacking contains a multiple rule. First rule is always, whenever you are starting the work of hacking, when you are trying to attempt to identify the security issue and you are using a specific information, you are trying to protect the network, you should have a consent from a company. Take written consent from a company that I am doing this task and I am liable to do this work. Nobody should blame me later on. Take written permission. Second is only work for security issues. Don't try to leak the network outside. The hacker, ethical hacker, will try to protect the security of company. Only work for security issue. Don't work to leak the security of company, because you are the network administrator. You know the whole details of network. You can leak any information from network. So only work for security issues. And third point, report all security reports to the company. If you are finding any problem in a network, if you are finding that someone is hacking your data, someone is leaking your data, or any person is using your company data, in that case, don't hide anything from the company manager. Report all security reports or issues to the company. Whatsoever you are finding in your detection, whatsoever you detected, give all the reports. And if you are finding any report in hardware or software protection, there is a problem in software and hardware security, in that case, tell to the software or hardware developer or engineer about the security issue. It means you will find out security problem in software, you are finding security problem in hardware. In that case, you will directly interact with the developer of software and hardware and inform that here is your problem in a network. So these are some rules for hacking. Afterward, next topic is, that is how to protect your system from hacking. You know very well, for protection of system, we have to follow some steps. Step 1, that is followed for protection. How to prevent your system. Prevention can be performed. Step 1, that is followed. Don't respond to the unknown emails. Don't give reply to unknown mails. It is the first point that will protect you from security issue. Second point, firewall. Use always security firewall. Firewall will protect you from outside user. Only in company user can access your data. Use the firewall. And third point, that is update your system on continuous basis. You are looking on your system, so many updates are there. Always try to update your system from a authorized website. It means if you are using updation in Windows, do the update from Windows website. Don't take it from other website, because it can be a virus also. Fourth point, encrypt the file. While you are storing the information in your computer system, on the time of storage, use the encryption. Encryption mean to say use the security, and security can be maintained by using the security password. So put the password on a specific file that is important for your organization. Next is always make backup. Whatsoever you are doing, you should have a backup. You should have a second copy of data. If the system is getting failure, technical problem is there, you can take the same data from that pen drive or CD drive. And next point, change your password on regular basis. Either it is your system password, either it is your email password. Change your password on regular basis. It is important point. And next point that can be followed, to catch a thief. It means you want to catch a thief, you want to catch a hacker, then work like a thief or think like a thief. Work or think like a thief. How it can harm. And last point, when your system is not in use, do it turn off. Turn off your computer system when it is not used. maybe outside user can use your computer system. So these are the different types of security issues that are handled to protect your system. Don't respond to the unknown email, firewall usage, update your system on continuous basis, use the password for important files, always make backup, change password regular basis. To catch the thief, work like a thief and turn off your computer after usage. So dear students, we have completed chapter 6 here. If you are facing any problem in any topic, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 999 11 8890. So thank you. Have a nice day for this session. Thank you so much.